Hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a short video today to demonstrate to you the sound of this beautiful shamanic drum here. It's for sale on our Etsy shop. Now this is an 18-inch horse skin drum. It's rather beautiful. It's on an ash wood frame. If I turn it over here, you can see it's got a branch handle, an artificial sinew for the lacing. Now on the handle I've burnt in an image of the divine feminine, which I've repeated on the inside of the frame also to bring that beautiful sacred feminine energy into the drum. I've trimmed this with a few pheasant feathers down here and a little bit of rabbit fur as well, which is rather lovely. I put my maker's mark on the inside there, also the date of birth, and it was the 22nd of May 2022 in Knighton, Powys, the UK, and that's to enable you to go and have a little look up of the birth chart, find out what was happening in the astrological realms on the day when this drum was birthed, and find out what energies were around and how that might have affected the drum and going forwards as well as the interaction and the relationship between your two characters. Okay, so all that being said, let's have a little play. You can hear what the drum sounds like. I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a soft beater, and this is a soft beater. Either of these are available to purchase as an option at checkout if you decide to buy the drum. Here we go. Gorgeous. And then the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you're going to choose your shamanic drum. It's very difficult buying online, and that's why we make these little videos. Okay, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.